other schools are going to have to see what you're doing and start to. You're going to probably see other pitching labs like you guys pop up all over the place, right?
Yep. Yep. And data analytics teams too. That's the other one, is they see the value of that for sure.
Yeah,
It's interesting to watch that domino effect take place.
Yeah, because how big's your staff with analytics people?
It's 25 people.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, it's a major league operation in a lot of ways, you know. And now we're trying to apply that to biomechanics right now. We're getting on-field biomechanics and input right now, and we're trying to take that same philosophy into how guys move.
That's crazy. So what are 25 different people doing? They're all looking at different things?
Projects. They're doing projects. They're builders. That's the best. The data team's amazing. They're amazing. They listen to what we need. They understand our philosophy, and then they split up into groups, and then they build whatever we need. That's basically what they do, and they're amazing at it. So whether it's like competitive stuff or player development stuff or anything in between those things, they're just building, the place to log into to understand and use all of that information.
They're building the tech.
Well, they're building the access to the tech, I guess.
Right.
Right. Yeah, which is endless. It's like, how far can we go with these numbers? So we haven't reached that end. In fact, we've taken on more. They're helping us with throwing programs and understanding fatigue and volume. And so the two technological pieces we implemented, one is Flex Pro, which has a huge data component to it, actually, which is really interesting. And Next Tiles. So Next Tiles is an arm sleeve that has the technology woven into the fabric. And it gives us arm velocity and elbow torque on every single throw they make. It's completely game-changing. And we just download the CSVs and trying to make sense of everybody's throwing patterns over the course of a week or a month or whatever.
Yeah, because the torque, if you can make an adjustment from somebody and you can limit that load through their elbow, I mean, it's a game changer.
It's tough to limit it. It's more of we found it more as a tracker to this point. Hypothetically, yes, if you can decrease your elbow stress over time, their bucket's not going to overflow as quickly. Excuse me. So that's a part of it. What we have found is that we can red flag when they're not ready to throw, which is where I think the elbow injuries happen most, is when they're fatigued and they try to throw through that, and guys just think, oh, my arm's just catching up to speed or getting used to it or whatever. Like, that's probably the most dangerous time they can actually make throws.